This is the echodot 5th generation. It's easily one of the top-selling smart speakers on the market, with tons of voice control functions to make life easier. It's been awesome to use the echodot for the past few weeks. I've also used other top competitors in the past as well. There were some interesting things I found out that actually could make the echodot perfect for some people. Inside the box, you'll find the echodot device itself, a power adapter, and a quick start guide. The setup process is pretty straightforward. First, download the Alexa app and create an account if you don't already have one. Then plug the power adapter into an outlet, connect it to your echodot, and follow the on-screen instructions in the Alexa app on your smartphone to complete the setup. The echodot has buttons on top to control volume and turn the microphone on and off. Just tap the devices to make it snooze. It has a handy light ring at the bottom that uses different colors to indicate different things, which is pretty cool. It doesn't start to listen until it hears Alexa, and then a blue ring appears. Blue means Alexa is listening. It is then ready to respond to a question like, "Alexa, what's the weather forecast?" Yellow means you have a notification waiting, green means there's a call coming in, and red means the microphone is off and Alexa can't hear you. The device is compact and that will fit neatly on your desk, nightstand, or even a bookshelf. The spherical design is cool and modern looking. I found it fit in really well with the decor at my place. The Echo can be used to stream music, podcasts, or even as a bedroom speaker for ambient sounds when you're winding down for the night. The sound quality is pretty impressive. It's crisp and clear and pretty well balanced. With the built-in Alexa assistant, it can control smart home devices like lights, thermostats, and even your TV. For example, you can say, "Alexa, turn off the living room lights," and voila, it's done. It's compatible with platforms like Spotify, Amazon Music, Apple Music, and Audible, among others. This versatility is a real plus. It meant I wasn't tied down to any one platform, and I really like that flexibility. Another Amazon feature is the echodot's ability to set routines and automations. Alexa can be configured to perform multiple tasks with a single command. For example, saying, "Alexa, good morning," could turn on the lights, read the news, and even start brewing your morning coffee if you have a compatible coffee maker. I found this feature incredibly useful, and it made my mornings a whole lot smoother. Privacy is essential, and echodot has you covered there. Just press the button on top to disconnect the microphones to ensure Alexa isn't listening. Plus, you can review, hear, and delete your voice recordings in the Alexa app. The Alexa app makes it easy to manage the device, routines, and any connected smart home gadgets. It's the kind of device that once you set it up, you can pretty much forget about it because it can integrate seamlessly into your life. Overall, the echodot 5th generation is a powerful little smart speaker that can really help simplify life and make lots of things easier. It responds to a huge variety of requests accurately. It can be used to stream music, podcasts, audiobooks, and more. The design is compact and the sound quality quite impressive for the size of the device. It has a lot of smart features like routines and automations, and it helps manage other smart home gadgets. Well, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time.